Bellas, we are back at the Dollar Tree and look at this vase. This is perfect for tulips, roses, my favorite flower, peonies, but the shape is very sophisticated. I think it's unique and it's different here. I haven't seen this shape before. And then this one caught my eye with the vintage little dots and details. It gives that nice old classic feel. Now this one I dropped and it was sturdy. It did not break and it gives you that old vintage feel as well. They had them in different colors, I believe a green, and I thought the purple was really pretty. You can put in your kids' room, a bathroom, a single rose, and it just makes a nice little statement in your kitchen, whatever you're feeling. Black bags. I'll be doing some gift bags for work, and this matches our aesthetic. It's all about gifting. Girls, are you having parties for your children? Look how cute these sparkling silverware is and ice cream cups. I saw these at Ross and Marshall's for triple the price. So $1.25, you can't go wrong with assortment of matching napkins, and let's make cupcakes and all the great colors. So if you're having a theme, this is the way to go. Havianas are my favorite, but look at the array of assortment of designs. You're doing bridesmaid gifts, bridal, party. How fun would this be? Stuff in a fun pair of flip-flops. All right, headbands, bandanas. You can also put those in the bridesmaid gift. You get 3 for $1.25. The designs were really chic. All right, having that party, you have garlands, some beautiful lays. We have the assortment for your kids' drinks. You know, they break and lose. These are perfect and disposable. This was the find. This is what I was looking for my candles. And look at these nice candlesticks. Very elegant, elevated with the clear glass on your fireplace. Cleaning paste. My sister-in-law swears by this, and I found one at the Dollar Tree, all purpose. So let's see if it works. Hummingbirds. My mom loves birds. And I was like, oh, this is a moment. She can watch her beautiful birds. And I love a good duster. They have them in the big size, perfect for your ceiling fans, lamps, light fixtures. The little one is great for tables, also for your frames. I love this disposable dish towels. They're great for washing pans, your countertops, and you can dispose them. Compression socks at the dollar store. I'm here for it. Love it. Follow me for more videos.